Color blocking is a great way to create impact. It can be used in two ways. A single color block as seen with the yellow here, or color blocks with multiple colors as seen with the shelves here. Blocking can be asymmetrical as seen here, or it can be symmetrical. To keep from going overboard with the colors, maybe you can try this technique. For instance, if you have a high ceiling in the shape of a horizontal block, let the ceiling shade creep down and bring attention to our tones. Feel free to pop some accessories in. Make sure you stick to the color palette. Go on, shine on, you crazy diamond.